Hello, what's up, my people? This is your guy NKFX, and on this amazing video, I'm going to be showing you my strategy and how to catch 1,000 pips trading Forex. Most people think they can only catch such pips on gold, US 30, and other commodities, but I want to tell you this: on currency pairs, you can catch this. Here's the buy setup I held on GBP USD, which was 1,127 pips, and my TP was hit. Now I am looking to catch another 1,000 plus pips on the same GBP USD. If you're if you're interested in catching pips like this, watch this video right up to the end. For at the end of this video, I have a bonus for you. Meanwhile, if it's your first time watching my video, please do well to hit the subscribe button so that each time I drop a post like this or analysis that will help you grow your Forex trading, you can be updated. So hit the subscribe button, like and comment down the comment section what you think about this video. Also, don't forget to share this video to your friends. Before I go ahead with my technical analysis, I want to tell you, if you're looking for the best broker to trade, I will recommend FBS Broker. The link is down the description. You can click on that link, get registered. They have very good and amazing spreads, which you can trade with them. If you're also looking for a prop firm to trade, I will recommend Blueberry. The link is also down the description. Click on that link and also go through their dashboard and see what they have to offer. They are really, really good and great in payout. Try them out. Meanwhile, if you want to join my trading community, the link down, there's a Telegram link down the description as well. Click on it and join my amazing Telegram community where I hold free classes and also give free signals for my students. So you can do well to join. If you want a one-on-one mentorship for me to train you in Forex trading to become a professional and a profitable trader, the link down also on WhatsApp. Click on that link and it's going to take you to me directly on WhatsApp, where we are going to have a discussion and I teach you how to become a profitable trader. Let's go straight to technical analysis. How do we catch just 1,000 pips? All right, guys, before I start, I have to clear everything on my chart. What is the 1,000 pips I'm looking to catch on GBP USD? A lot of people are trying to buy GBP USD, but me, I'm doing the opposite. I want to sell. So how do we catch these sales on GBP USD? Let's do our analysis. Firstly, I go to the 3 months time frame because I am looking for a trade that I am going to hold for months, right? So I want to see the overall direction of the market. And on the 3 months time frame, what can we see? We can see that GBP USD is bearish. Why? Because we have a lower low here, a lower high. We have another lower low here. We have another lower high. Do well to watch this video right up to the end. Then we have this low here, though it didn't take out this low, but it was a low. And then it gave us this high, which this high came to take out this low, right? As you can see from here, this low was taken out slightly by this high. So that is what we have on GPUSD. So clearly on the 3 months time frame, we are bearish. Clearly on the 3 months time frame, we are bearish on GBP/USD. So you should be safer holding long-term sales on the GBP/USD than the buys. So how are we going to catch these sales? How are we going to catch these sales on GBP/USD? It can only be done when as we go through our technical analysis. So let us look at what happened here. At this point here, you can see that this was kind of a lower low, a lower high. Let me use this other tool, sorry. This was like a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, then a lower high. So what do we expect? We're expecting a lower low to the downside, right? So let us try to mark out that price action and see. Let us try to mark out this price action and see. So we know that this, let me clear off my charts. Let me clear off my charts. All right, we know that this low here was being taken out. This low here was being taken out. This was a break of structure to the downside. On the 3 months time frame, that was a break of structure to the downside. So where is the origin of this break of structure, which break to the downside? So we are going to use our FIB tool and see the discount level where price reacted from. Let's see the discount level. With our FIB tool, we can see from this high. Oh, why is it disturbing? Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Oh my God, it keeps disturbing, guys. Let's do it again. The FIB tool, All right, there it goes. Okay, we can see that our premium level is here. Our premium level is here, and price is already at our premium level. Price is already at our premium level. So you can see that when price got here, price first of all reacted sold to the downside. Now, impulsive sell giving us a bearish engulfing candle, which indicates that sellers are already in the market, right? Now, when sellers got into the market, why this retracement to the upside? Let's go to the 1 month time frame and see why they are retracing to the upside after that impulsive sell. So, as I said earlier, price already got to our point of interest, right? This was our point of interest from the 3 months time frame. This is our break of structure. And price came back now to our point of interest again for the second time. Those who trade chart patterns, they are going to see this as a double top, but there is an explanation for this double top on lower time frames. So let me go straight to the weekly time frame and show you what that zone is actually saying. Okay, guys, so here is the zone. Here's the zone we spotted out from here. Here was the zone from the monthly time frame. From the 3 months time frame, here was the zone. All right, here was the zone, and you see price tap into it and it sells sold to the downside. Now you see that as on the weekly time frame, as price has reacted on this zone, it is pushing again to the downside, and clearly you can see the double top, as other traders will call it. And remember, from the 3 months time frame, we are targeting this low on GBP USD. But first, this is going to be our TP1 here. So we already have our TPs. Now we only need to look for an entry to hold this. Now, why are we looking to sell? Reading the weekly time frame market structure, you can see that price was in an uptrend, giving me a series of uh a series of a moment. Price was in an uptrend, giving me a series of higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then an internal structure, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then another higher high here, right? So you can see that price was able to break above this high, giving us a break of structure here to the downside. And here was the origin that caused that break of structure, right? That was the origin that caused that break of structure to the upside. Let me make my chart clean. Let me make my chart clean. Okay. All right. So the last low that caused a break of structure was this low here. And what do we see? We see that on the weekly time frame, price came to take out this low here, giving us a change of character, right? So this is a change of character. And let us take off this zone. We already know that it's a key zone. Where's the origin of that change of character? You can see that this is the other block that caused that change of character. So what has happened? Price has tapped into that other block, and we are already seeing it rejections to the downside. So what we need to do now is look for sell opportunities on this trade. Let us look for sell opportunities, how to catch this trade. And as we all can see, this trade or this setup is measuring, as you can see, 1,236 pips. As I told you guys at the beginning of this video, we are looking at catching 1,000 plus pips. So we are going to go straight to the 4-hour time frame and see. Now, guys, on the 4-hour time frame, let me take off this. This is the monthly zone. Let me take it off. So this is the weekly zone here, which we see that price has tapped into it and it is selling to the downside. So let us look at the 4-hour time frame and see how we can mark market structure. We are first of all going to take this off. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, guys, when price tap into this zone, we can see the impulsive sells to the downside. Then now we are having a retracement to the upside. Now, where is price retracing to? Where do we pick these sell entries? It is not obvious yet. It is not yet obvious where we are going to be taking this trade. So let us go to the 2-hour time frame and see if we can get a trading opportunity. Now, on the 2-hour time frame, we can see the structure that market is creating. It is still trying to create another structure. But if price should get back to this zone, we can see this is the high and it came to give us this low. So we can see that this from this high right down to this low, from this high right down to this low that it created, our premium level is at this point. Remember, we want to buy at premium. Our premium level is at this level and price is still resting in uh, a 3 months supply zone. Remember, it is a 3 month supply zone, so it's very, very strong. So price is still resting within that zone. So a lot of people are going to be looking to buy or sell from here, but this zone is going to be used as an inducement zone. This one is going to be used as an inducement. So probably next week, we are going to be waiting for some bulls on the GBP/USD to get to this zone, and then we sell GBP/USD to the downside. We are going to be taking all of this. Now, some people are going to be asking, why can't we catch the buys? If you want to catch the buys, you go down to the 30 minutes time frame. You can go down to the 30 minutes time frame. And currently, this is a trade. I'm already in with my students. We took this trade because you can clearly see that we had a break of structure here. We had a break of structure here to the down to the upside, and the origin of that break of structure was this demand here, and price tapped into it. So we are in the trade already. I and my students, we are already in this trade in the VIP community, and we are targeting this zone here. Now, remember, if we want to refine this zone, we are going to have this because all of this is an inducement. This is all inducement here. This is all liquidity here, right? So price have to grab all of this liquidity. That is just liquidity here. The price needs to grab all of this liquidity and then sell to the downside. So guys, this is not even the trade we're looking at, but mind you, GBUSD is still going to buy from here because we are targeting this zone up here. So let me take this off. Let me take this off. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame since we have refined our sell entries. Remember, we are looking for sell entries, guys. We are looking for sell entries, and we have spotted the top of that 4-hour zone. We have spotted the top of that zone. There is it. And as I said, this is just going to be our inducement here. Let us take this week as our entry. Now, guys, look at, we are looking to catch a 1,000 pips and more. We are looking to catch a 1,000 pip and more from here. From here, we are going to be looking to catch this mighty move. And our TP is going to be down here, right? Remember, this low is at TP. This low is at TP, and we are going to be targeting a 1,289 pips targets. Look at, guys, this is a 1:38 risk reward ratio. It might sound like imagination, but I and my community, we have done this over and over and over again. If you want to build your trading emotions, trading confidence, and become a professional trader, kindly inbox me, pay for my mentorship, register, and I will train you well to become the best version of yourself when it comes to Forex trading. I never disappoint. Now, at the beginning of this video, I said I have a bonus for you. The bonus is how to apply proper risk management while trading prop firms. If you're a prop firm trader, I will to say this again. Go down to the description. You're going to see my prop firm link, the Blueberry. Click on it and register with them, for they are really, really good in everything as a prop firm, and they are also a broker on their own. Now, if you want to pass a prop firm account very, very well, what you do is your first trade risks 1% of that account, the account size you're trading. If the trade is a win, now you reduce or you step down your loss, you step down your risks to 75%, right? And you are risking just 0.75% of that account. You're risking just 0.75% of that account right up to when you pass your phase 1 or phase 2. After phase 1, phase 2, you apply the same rule. But if your first trade is a loss, you step down your risk to 0.5%, so you are up back to 10K. This is going to enable you. Now, the reason why you're risking 1% in your first trade is because it is very easy for you to cash a 1:5 risk reward. So if your first trade is a win to TP, you are passing the challenge with just one trade. That is the reason why you are risking 1:5. But if you don't, that's the reason why you're risking 1%. But if you don't hit TP, right? Let me say you've got a 1:3. Now, risking 75% is also going to give you that space to not to give out the profit you've made already, and also for you to easily pass your challenge. If you want more tips, join the link, click on the link down in the description and join my Telegram community where I'm going to educate you more and more and more about this. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember, I am MKFX, the founder of MKFX Academy. I can be your best Forex coach. Text me and sign up for this. Peace.